What does a $300 pellet grill have that a $1,500 one doesn't? This year, we did what no one else has. We gathered the 5 most hyped pellet grills and put them through hell. The results? One of them failed spectacularly. Another performed a miracle. This isn't just a list. This is the definitive guide to where you should spend your money in 2025. The winner will change everything you know about barbecue. Starting at number 1. Traeger Ironwood XL. The best pellet grill. This mammoth of a pellet grill boasts 924 square inches of cooking space, making it superfluous if you rarely smoke meat, but a boon if you're frequently throwing meaty backyard bashes. During testing, we, and all of our lucky test subjects, swooned over the results pumped out by this baby. Ribs, pork butt, and chicken wings were succulent and seriously, but not overwhelmingly, smoky. Overall, it's a great grill that produces barky, smoky results every time, especially if you use the super smoke setting, and lets you set the temperature in 5-degree increments. We'd recommend investing in a separate wireless grill thermometer, but we'd say that for any grill or smoker, anyway. The biggest downside was that the app and smoker interface were glitchy when used in tandem, but if you set your cooking parameters manually on the smoker or just used the app, everything turned out fine. Of course, $2,000 is also quite expensive. Number 2. Traeger Woodridge Pro Pellet Grill. A new offering from Traeger we really like. We were impressed with this pellet grill. Not only did it boast an expansive cooking surface larger than the Ironwood XL, but it was wicked consistent. It only varied 10 degrees from its set temperature throughout our tests. The ribs and chicken wings we made with it were amazingly tender, too. Its app was also intuitive to use and, we found, easily connected to the grill. We liked that it monitored the pellet level and made it easy to track the temperature and cooking time, even if we were hanging out on the patio. We've been testing this pellet grill for about 6 months, and it's held up exceptionally well. I used my Traeger all winter long, and it still looks brand new. Pretty impressive, considering I live in snowy New England, says editor Rochelle Billow. The Woodridge Pro didn't impart the smokiest flavor of all the pellet grills. If you're an occasional griller, you may want to consider the smaller and cheaper Woodridge. Number 3. Weber Smokefire EX4, 2nd Gen, wood-fired pellet grill. The best pellet grill from Weber. It's great for searing. The Weber name has long been synonymous with backyard cooking, and the Smokefire EX4 upholds the brand's integrity. This Weber pellet grill smoked its way through our tests with ease, delivering consistent results and boasting a snazzy smoke boost option. For this feature, you'll have to select it at the beginning of the cook time, or within a couple of hours of starting your smoke session, and it'll allow pellets to burn lower, slower, and smokier. The Smokefire has a higher temperature range, 200 to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, so the chicken wings and steak had nice grill marks and charring. Compared to some of our other top picks, though, its smoky flavor was milder. We'll call it medium. However, some of our testers preferred this. Throughout a 10-hour smoke, it delivered accurate, consistent temperatures, on par with Yoder and Traeger models. This isn't the grill that's going to wow you with over-the-top smoke flavor. It is the best pellet grill if you want a more true-to-grilling experience and don't care as much about smoking. Number 4. Traeger Pro Series 780 Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. Another great pellet grill under $1,000. With a digital control panel, an intuitive app, and consistent performance, we like this Traeger model. High-tech features aside, the Pro 780 performs like a pro. It had a moderately smoky flavor and delivered nice grill marks. During the long smoke test, it produced a desirable 1/4-inch smoke ring on our pork butt. Like all of the Traegers we tested, this model was easy to assemble. Overall, this model yielded less smoky flavor than other pellet grills. Number 5. Traeger TFB 30 KLF Tailgater Pellet Grill. The best small pellet grill. It's certainly hard to argue with this pellet grill's portability, which is aided by a pair of smooth rolling wheels and easy-to-fold legs. The Tailgater 20 is a likely crowd pleaser thanks to the mild smoke flavor it imparts during both grilling and smoking, ensuring that even smoke flavor-verse guests will reach for another chicken wing, and if you want to use it for a long smoke, you totally can. While this probably isn't a competition grill, it's a great candidate for anyone looking to dabble in smoking, someone with a small backyard, or if you want a pellet grill to take to a tailgate. Some thought that the Tailgater 20 produced a smoked pork but with the second least amount of smoke flavor. So there you have it. the champion, the contenders, and the one to avoid at all costs. I've put direct links to every single grill we tested today in the description below. No hunting, no confusion, just the best prices from trusted retailers. If this head-to-head battle saved you from a costly mistake or helped you find your perfect grill, please hit that like button. It tells YouTube you want more content like this. Share this with your barbecue crew so they can see the data. And subscribe and ring the bell, because next week, we're putting the winning grill against a $5,000 behemoth, and you will not believe the results. Until then, keep the fire burning.